Hello guys, Kyle here from Michigan Dune Runner. Today I'm going to be installing a TMW Offroad Winch bumper under the Turbo S. Looks like a pretty nice unit. It's got her in. Don't know what winch I'm going to go with yet. So if you guys got any suggestions or ones to stay away from, comment down below and let me know. Let's get started. Alright, I looked in the box, there's no instructions, but I seen the video of how they installed their Baja bumper on a Turbo S, so I'd imagine it's pretty similar to that. So, took the top off, gonna pull the grill out, and then take off my homemade flat flag bracket that I made at like 3 in the morning so I can go to the dunes the next day, and then we'll go from there. Alright, get this bottom off. Looks like it's a 225. So we'll get that done. I believe this one pulls right off, if I remember right. Oh, got a couple tabs up here on the top. Pop those, and there it goes. Dirty in there, but I ride it. What do you expect? Alright, these bottom bolts here, 15 millimeters. There is a little plate on the back that you want to make sure that you hold that so it doesn't fall off there. There's a way to get your hand in there, but I got a fat hand, so you know how it goes. There's one down. Two down. Make sure that plate stays in there. Good there. Stick one of these bolts back in there just in case it wants to fall. Alright, got that. Alright, here's the hardware you get with the bumper. Get this little plate. This screw here, bolt, goes into that center to hold that, and you got these 4 big ones which go into this. This is for mounting your winch, and then it's got the end caps. Pretty nice O-ring sealed caps. Alright, you're going to take that plate, and there's a little slot right underneath here, right here. I'm going to take that plate and slide it up underneath there, but I'm going to prepare this bolt first, get a little Loctite on it. Alright. Yep, you just want to slide this plate up in there if I can get it. Just like so. And the center one. Just like so. Then that is a 13/16 Allen. Just loosely get that on there. Somewhat straight. Like so. Alright. And then these bolts here are 15 millimeter. There'll be 4 of them. They go there. But I'm going to get the bumper now. So, let's try this, see if we can get it going. Got that one in. one of these down here going. Yep, just use your noggin to push up on that. That thing slides right in there, no problem. Alright, those are started. Get one of these started. That one. Just lost that one. Loctite. I think that one started. We'll see when I turn it with a wrench. Loctite on this guy. Got that one. A little more Loctite. Those other ones are pretty stiff. So, get the wrench out and hit those. I believe I said earlier, but these are 15s. Oh, I guess it did not start. So, let's see here. Can we get? Apparently, these two outer ones do not want to start for some reason. Probably just the angle that I'm at. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. Well, if I'm going to be honest with you, it don't even look like there's threads in that thing. I think that one was started. Yeah, there's threads in that one. That one don't look like it has any threads in it. Alright, I don't know how well you can see this, but this is that plate where I said that that hole looked like it didn't have any threads. It does, just for some reason. It must have been filled with some type of thread protectant or something to, when they powder coated this. But I took this apart and cleaned that out, and now it goes right in. Alright, I'm going to install these end caps. Add a little bit of lube on there. So it does have an O-ring. It might help, it might not. Who knows? Make sure you're the right direction. And take your rubber mallet. Well, the O-ring there didn't last very long. So there's one cap, mostly straight. A little cricking. Alright, I don't know how well this is going to pick it up, but I got the bumper on there. The grill back in and whatnot, but yeah, you can definitely tell that it is not straight on there. I'm guessing down at the bottom where the factory tow hook was, where it was hitting on that plate, that's probably the issue. So I think I'm gonna pull this back off, take a grinder to it, and get it sitting on there straight, because in my opinion it just looks like crap. Alright, I pulled the bumper back off and don't necessarily think it's the bumper I'm having issues with. Looks like this plate was not welded centered. Right here is where I'm hitting. And I think that's what's kicking it up. But if you look, there's no gap on this side where there's a little bit over here. So I'm gonna bust the grinder out, clean that up, see if I can get it sitting on there straight, and go from there. Alright, took a little bit off there. Just knocked that ridge off. There's no weld right there, so I don't think it should be anywhere mess with anything structural. So I'm going to do a test fit real quick, see if it'll sit straighter on there, and then I'll clean that up and hit it with some paint. That looks real close, but it looks like we're still up on the edge over here. Just going to be causing a little bit of a gap. So I might take that down just a little bit more. And I think we should be good. So do that. Alright, I took that down a bit more. And then over here, I did, grind this down just a little bit to give it a little extra clearance. Alright, got that touched up with some paint. Got the bumper here touched up with some paint. Well, there's that. It's still off. I'm not sure if that's because the bumper's tweaked or the Polaris is tweaked or what is going on. But I'm going to throw the lights on it and hopefully it's not as noticeable as it was before when I had the lights on it. And we'll go from there. Well, there's the lights on. Haven't yet decided if I'm gonna try to run them out as far as possible, like so, that way I can get my quick disconnect for my flag mount. Us Michiganders here in our dunes, we got to run our flags in the front, and everybody else gets to do it in the rear. So there ain't a whole lot of room there. That or I'm gonna run them tight, like so. Haven't quite decided yet what I was gonna do in that department. It looks better with them closer together, but then I'm not gonna have a spot to put my quick disconnect. Could run it off to the side, but that'll probably, throw me off as well. I don't know, how's it look? Yeah, you can definitely tell with the lights on there, it's still crooked. Well, I think we're just gonna roll with that for now. Well, got the lights on, got them all hooked up, got my LED moved, all the wiring hit as much as possible. Eventually gonna get a winch, probably won't be until spring. So if you guys got a review of a good winch, bad winch, whatever you guys recommend, comment down below, let me know. The bumper is still slightly off. Like I said, I'll just hit a tree or something eventually and we'll straighten it right back out. Other than that, I got my flag bracket mount on there because as people in Michigan, got to have our flags up in the front in our dunes. So that wraps it up. Hope you enjoyed this install video. Thanks for watching.